exhibitor here at Genius Pilipinas is the owner of Oris Skin, no other than Miss Misha Sayer and Candice Gittes. First, Miss Misha, I'm curious, why Oris Skin? The product. Why Oris Skin?
So we don't have physical stores yet. That's also the reason why I actually joined the bazaar.
Yes, Oris Skin means my life because this my skincare business is giving the lives of everyone. It's work and especially to me and my family na siya po yung nagiging bread and butter namin. That's why I chose Oris name for my skincare company.
Life for beauty and life financially.
Yeah.
And everything. And everything. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And we're going back to Miss Candice Gittes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this a local product?
This is a new product of the Philippines. This is nice, it's good for skin.
Ano po siya?
Actually, this is the two product of the Philippines. Ito yung best seller namin. This one, mom, is exfoliating for the skin and then use it only once a week for deep cleansing. By the way, kasi ma'am, marami kasi tayo ginagamit for the skin po, like po yung matatas sa alcohol. So there's no mention any kind of product na matatas sa alcohol po. This one to our skin po, the exfoliating gel, is very good for skin natin. Lalo na po, plus sa may mga bata po. Number one sa mga pimple marks, sa mga dark spot, dry skin, dead skin. Gagamitin mo lang siya isang beses sa isang linggo for relaxing your skin, kunin yung mga bacteria in your skin. Yung siya rin ko lang.
Ito naman.
And by the way, this naman is the collagen, Oris collagen. Minute na Grammy. This is used for the face. It is used only for the skin. For not need to put anything for your face. This one, to do like this and do like this po, ma'am. Ang kinaganda ka sa product po namin sa Oris Skin na collagen, if you get it wet, hindi mo siya basta-basta nag-transfer po sa skin natin. Lalo na pag-acidic ka or skin ka.
So yan po ay may FDA approved.
Yes, this is FDA approved po naman po siya, ma'am.
Looking forward for the halal certified of your product. We're looking forward for halal certified of your
for the halal po. Why for the halal po? Because we need to transfer to other country to share my product. Actually, this is the product, ma'am. This is good for no melanin in the skin. This one, ma'am, the rice gel, ma'am. This one po is very nice po sa mga taong walang melanin. You know what? Why? Because po, once if you go to the under the sun po, ang skin natin nagkakaroon po tayo ng dehydration, pigmentation, and everything po. And this one, the Oris Skin, that's a sweaty gel, it use it po ma'am para ibalik niya po yung natural ng skin natin po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.